Today I'm sharing a recipe for lean pancakes made with just flour, water and baking soda, without milk, coffee or yeast. Look how light and fluffy the batter turns out. The key is preparing them the right way. Pour 200 ml of warm boiled water into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's plant-based and allowed during fasting, since it's not an animal product. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add about 200 grams of sifted flour and mix the batter. The consistency should be similar to pancake batter. Keep an eye on it, as we'll thin it out later. At the end, add 1 level teaspoon of baking soda and mix again. To make the batter just as good as yeast-based batter, we'll bloom it with boiling water. Gradually pour in 1 cup of boiling water, stirring constantly so there are no lumps. Add 50 ml of vegetable oil. This makes the batter more elastic and soft, prevents tearing during frying, and helps the pancakes turn out thin and non-stick. Mix well and let the batter rest for 10 minutes. So the baking soda works gently, excess gas escapes, and the pancakes become airy without a soda aftertaste. Before frying, grease the pan with vegetable oil once. Pour in enough batter to cover the bottom in a thin layer. As soon as the batter sets, about 30 seconds, flip the pancake and cook the other side for another 20 seconds. I'll show you one more pancake and cook the rest the same way. You can keep them on the pan for 10 extra seconds if you like them more golden. The pancakes turn out thin, tender, and don't tear. From this amount of batter, we made 12 lean pancakes. The thin pancakes turned out soft, delicate, and elastic, lightly golden, and easy to roll. They don't dry out and hold any filling perfectly. The first pancakes were made by the Eastern Slavs in ancient times, prepared from fermented batter on water or sourdough as a ritual dish connected with the sun, prosperity, and the change of seasons. Today, pancakes are an international dish, cooked in many countries in different forms. The taste is light and very home-style. These are the kind of pancakes you want to make again and again, especially during fasting. My husband asked for something sweeter, so I bought blueberry jam. I hope I made him happy. If you enjoyed the video, please support me with a subscription and a like, and leave a comment. All the best and see you next time. Bye bye!